Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're comparing Amazon Music and YouTube Music, two popular streaming platforms that give you access to millions of songs, playlists, and podcasts, but each offers a very different experience. YouTube Music is perfect for music discovery. Along with official tracks and albums, you get video mixes, live performances, remixes, and even user-uploaded content that you won't find on most other platforms. Its strength lies in variety and personalized recommendations, making it fun for exploring new music. Amazon Music, on the other hand, excels in library management and audio quality. Prime members get access to a large music library, curated playlists, and podcasts, while Amazon Music Unlimited unlocks the full catalog with HD and spatial audio. It's especially convenient if you use Alexa or other Amazon devices, and the platform feels very organized and easy to navigate. One user shared that they love YouTube Music for its variety in video mixes, but when it comes to organization and sound quality, they prefer Amazon Music. Ultimately, it depends on what you value more: discovery and variety, or structured listening and slightly better audio. In short, choose YouTube Music if you enjoy exploring new tracks, mixes, and unofficial content. Go with Amazon Music if you prioritize library management, high-quality audio, and extra value from Prime. If you found this comparison helpful, let me know which platform you prefer in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more software and streaming reviews.